Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. Today, my wife and I are doing a little shopping. By shopping, I mean landscape shopping. So we like to come down here. This is on the main Kemaling Highway, where there's lots of little stores down here. But what we found, this lady here, this Roneth, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Oh, she has this. Oh, services include landscaping, brick installation, and swimming pools. So they also do swimming pools. But this lady, she has the best prices from what we found. And she really has a nice selection. The other day I bought a couple of these stepping stones. Do you remember how much these were? Were they 80? 70? A lot of little, what do you call them? Stepping stone. You got topsoils. We like to buy these big bags of topsoil for Christine's plants. Also, we've gotten some stones. They sell these stones, I would say it's probably like 10 or 15 kilo bag, but they have different ones. They have like small limestones. We like to get those big ones there. That's what we've been getting. She got some round stones. Roneth. Roneth? How do you pronounce that? Well, let me see if I can find this lady. It is about 4 o'clock on a Sunday, so she may not even be open. Let me see if I can find her. Look at this tree here. It's called breadfruit, and it grows these things. And that one's bigger than my hand, but that's actually a small one. I see one over there that's huge. This. Oh, wow, look at this. Never knew what was back here, but this property goes way back. And she's got tons of flowers. She must be pretty busy because she's always got customers here. What's that? Looks like old rice. All right, still can't find her yet, but let me keep looking. Well, guys, unfortunately, we may not be buying anything today because we can't find anybody. You know, it's amazing. In the Philippines, everybody pretty much trusts everybody, especially on the province. Those are nice plants there. I like those. This looks like something my mom had when I was a kid. Yeah? That's neat. That's what we need, a big water fountain in the front yard. No? All right, guys. I guess that's it. Unless something comes up. Pretty short video, but can't find anybody. See some nice trees over here. These are nice trees. Those are neat. These trees? Those are neat. All All right, we're gonna go down the street and check out another competitor. But yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys, I'll just show you. We came right down the road. The other place was up there. Now we're down here at B and S Garden, and we're gonna get some topsoil. It's like 100 pesos for a big bag. Their topsoil is a little cheaper actually, but their stones were more expensive last time. And I think Christine is gonna get a couple flowers. These are really nice. I wanted to show you this tree. Ugh, get through there. Apparently they got this tree here. It's like hybrid, and it's like a bunch of different flowers growing off the same tree. They got a bunch of them over there. It's like what do you call it when you splice in one plant to another? All right, guys, let's get our plants and get out of here. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are back. This is our total haul. We got 1,200 pesos, which is about $20. We got 4 big bags of topsoil, and we got a bunch of plants, bunch of flowers, plants. So there you go, a little plant shopping in the Philippines. You can see we're stocking up on different plants so that we can landscape. Christine has actually been cleaning up back here in the backyard. Let me zoom out here. She's been cleaning up, raking, putting everything down there in the bottom. Looks nice. Look at that, marigolds, my mom's favorite. All right, guys, well, that is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, peace.